Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to live 12 live session today. So we're gonna showcase you some exciting jewelries, especially with the bangles, ring, and the earring, and the set as well. Hi Shweta, hi Renu, hi Vicky, hi Aisha, hello. Hi Kavita. This live is all about to showcase the jewelry that we're going to present today. So let's start without any wasting our time. So I'm going to start with the baby bangles first. So we have few designs I'm going to show you which is at the same price. I'll show you with the first one. The very first one, here we have this very cute pink rabbit design as a baby bangle, and this is 22 carat wax filled baby bangle which is now ready in stock and ready to dispatch. And price for this bangle is only 10,000. Like this pair of a bangle is only 10,000, and this is a very cute little rabbit, pink rabbit. So yeah, a very cute one which is in 10,000. Also with the baby bangle or a color, with any bangle we provide the certificate. I'm just going to show you it as an example. This is the authenticity certificate that we provide with the bangle, be it a kara or any bangles. So here we have this certificate, as you can already see, this authenticity certificate which comes with the bangle or a kara you order. And yeah, so this was the first design. I'm going to show you the second design which is very cute. And yeah, this has this blue color elephant and stars bangle. This is our second design, a very cute one. And this, elements like, the stars, the elephant that you can see, this is all a very cute one, and which I've already posted as in our highlight for the customer feedback. You can already see the images for the customers' feedback. They have loved it, this baby bangle. So if you want this, then take a screenshot of this particular item and send it to us on our Instagram page or the number that I have posted down, as you can see. And yeah, as I said, we give you the certificate as well, the authenticity certificate, and price for this is same, that is only 10,000. And our third design for the baby bangle, this one, this is the rabbit as well in orange and red color. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order. A very cute rabbit. So the same price as well. Now the next we have this earring. I'm going to show you this earring. This is 14 carat white polka stone rice pearls earring with 58.5% purity of gold. As you can see, this has got the rice pearls. I'm going to zoom just to show you. And this has the white polka stone with 14 carat gold. So again, this is a very good one. And also this is a lightweight, so don't worry. And it's very convenient to wear because this comes with the Bombay screw. So yeah. And price for this is only 13,500. I mean this earring. So this earring is only 13,500, which is very affordable and fits in your budget too. So if you're looking for any gift purpose which fits under 14,000 or 15k, you may go with this earring. This is absolutely favorite one till now. And yeah, as this is now ready in stock, so you may place an order, so that if you want to place an order and get it before 24th or 25th of December, we will dispatch it by today. So all these are ready to dispatch and ready in stock. So yeah. Okay, now next we have a very similar one, but not that similar. That is, as you can see, this white pearl earring. So basically this is what, this has this white polka stone as in this earring, and it comes with a drop of white pearls. a very beautiful piece, a very beautiful earring, which is also a lightweight and perfect for any gift purpose or for any special occasion you want to wear this. And yeah, this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. And yeah, the price for this is only 7,000. So again, this is also very affordable you're getting. I mean, this fits for your budget too. So this is how it looks, and which comes with the Bombay screw as well. And अगर आपको customize करानी है in 18 karat or 22 karat, so we'll do that. And अगर instead of Bombay screw want the Chennai screw, we'll also customize that as well. So yeah, also guys, if you have any queries regarding the product or the item, or if you want to know about the details, you may ask. And for the weight and all extra making charges, I'll send you the details to your personal DMs. So for that you have to take a screenshot of that particular item. Now move ahead with the fourth one. We have here this evil eye pendant piece, which is very in trendy right now. This is in round shape. Also, this works for the both sides, that is from the front side and the back side. This works for the both sides. A very cute one. So yeah, what you can do is, अगर आपके पास घर में कोई chain है, like something like that, for this actually goes with the minimal chain only, with the single line chain. And yeah, this looks perfect with the any chain as well. I'm just showing you as an example. So this is how it looks, and this is the close look from the front and back side. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, or if you have any queries, related questions for the details or the making charges. And yeah, let me tell you the price for this. Price is only 1,700, that is 1,700, which comes with the 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. So this is also a very affordable one. If you want to go for that, just go ahead. And yeah, अगर आपको order place करनी है, if you want it before 25th or maybe before New Year, you can place it today or maybe tomorrow. We'll dispatch within 2 days because all of these are ready to dispatch. Now next I'll show you the ring that I'm wearing. This one. This has Swarovski stones with 14 karat gold. And this is not adjustable, depends on your size. So the size that I'm wearing now is a 16. So if this is your size, you may place an order. This is ready to dispatch, and अगर आप आज order करोगे, this will be dispatched by today itself. This is how it looks for the close look. And yeah, as I said, this has Swarovski stones, so which gives you that dazzling effect wherever you wear it. This is how it looks. Perfect to fit, perfect to wear. Also, let me tell you the price for this. Price is only 5,000 for this ring. Yes, you heard it right. This is only 5,000, which actually fits your budget, you know. And yeah, this is very perfect. The size that I'm wearing, this is only 16. And अगर ये आपके size का नहीं है, don't worry. We're gonna make it to your according to your size. So yeah. Okay. Next, I'm gonna show you the necklace and the set. A very pretty one. Just wait for the look. And here it is. This one, the white beads necklace and earring set, as you can see, which has polki stone and emerald green beads. These are the emerald green beads, and this has the white polki stone at the bottom, and this is the white beads. So very pretty, which comes with the 14 karat gold with 58.5% of purity. I'm gonna show you the close look for the earring. This is how the earring looks. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like, and yeah, this also has some pearls as well for the element, and this is perfect to go. And you're gonna be amazed by the price for the whole set. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order, because price is only 13,500, which comes with the whole set. Only 13,500. If your people are looking for any jewelry or the set which comes under 15k or 14k, this is for you. Which covers you the necklace and the earrings. And yeah, this is I'm gonna show you the back side of the necklace as well. the hook is given, the lock is given, so it's very convenient to wear it. And this is like perfect for any wedding occasion as well. अगर आपको किसी bride को भी gift करना, you may give this. This is perfect choice. So price for the set is only 13,500. So if you want to place an order, take a screenshot. And for the more details, just DM us the screenshot for that. All the pearls are semi-precious, and the stones as well, and which has a great quality. For the quality, you may check our highlights for the customer feedback. We'll get it from there. So yeah, a very beautiful, very premium necklace that I've showed you. It's like the wow. So I'm gonna show you the next one, which has this. This is the earring basically. Again, this black stone earring, which has 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. This is the black stone earring, and yeah, which has the Bombay screw. I'm going to show you the screw as well. This is the screw, and again I'm going to show you. This gives you that very elegant look. You can आप इसे कोई भी कुर्ता में पहन सकते हो, और even for the party gowns as well. This is perfect. Those who want to go for the minimal look or the basic look, you may purchase this. And price for this is only 17,500. A very lightweight earring. Now next I'm going to show you this very pretty snowflake pendant design, which has Swarovski and 14 karat gold. This one. This is what I meant. This snowflake. A very pretty one. This is how the back looks, and this is how the front looks, which has Swarovski stones, as I said. So yeah, price for this is only 5,500. So you may adjust with any minimal sheen you want to. Again, this is like perfect for any occasion. Even this is perfect for the gifting purpose as well. Anybody will like it. They're gonna love this design, because this has snowflake, and which is very trendy now, as we have this blingy season now for the Christmas. What is return value? Okay, so we have the 70% cashback and 80% exchange value. So I hope I'm clear to you, Reshma. For more doubts, and you may clear now. Okay, next move ahead with the red and green beads earring. Again, this is for those who want to go for the minimal look or for the basic look, but those who want to fit in the budget, this is the perfect choice to make. This is red and green earring with the emerald green beads, which has 14 karat gold and some pearls with a touch of pearls. And guess the price. This is only 3,000. The price for this earring is only 3,000, which comes with the beads, this emerald garden beads, and this stone as well, the red stone, which comes with a touch of the white pearls. So this is how it looks. And also I'm going to show you the hook. This is the hook. It's very convenient to wear. Just have to stuck like this. It's very easy, and this is how it fits. I'm going to show you. This is how it fits. And as I said, the price is only 3,000. So this is again very affordable one. And all the stones, all the beads are semi-precious, so don't worry about the quality. Next we have this Swarovski chain, and which comes with the minimal chain as well. I'm going to show you this one. So this is 14 karat gold Swarovski chain, and this is 20-inch. Again, this is like perfect for any minimal look or for the basic look. If you want to go for the basic look, you may go with this chain, which covers you the Swarovski and gold as well. Very elegant look. This is a very classy chain. आप इसे कोई ethnic के साथ भी पहन सकते. You can pair it up with any western top, or with any western gown as well. If you want to go for the very lightweight jewelry or very lightweight chain, you may go with this. And this is a very classy, as I said. So yeah, price for this Swarovski chain, that is this chain, the whole thing, is only 17,500. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. And I'm gonna show you the close look for this pendant as well. This is how the pendant looks, very pretty, and this is how the chain looks. This is 20-inch. Okay, next I'm gonna show you the earrings, which has two types of green beads. That is one in emerald green beads and one sapphire green beads. A very pretty greenish like earring which I've ever seen. So also this covers with the white polka stone as well. And yeah, this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. I'm gonna show you how this looks. This is how this thing looks on the both side. And yeah, take a screenshot if you want to place an order. And yeah, price for this is only 9,500. I'm gonna show you the back as well, the screw which has got the Bombay screw. And if you want to customize in Chennai screw, we can do that as well. This is how it looks. Okay. And अगर आपको ये beads पसंद नहीं है, maybe you want something in orange or maybe red or purple, like any color, we'll customize that in well. The price will be same. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you next. We have this changeable earring. So this comes with total 4 colors. I'm gonna show you with the first one. This is in red. This is changeable earring which comes with 4 colors, and this is also 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. And this is changeable colors. Number 1 color, this one is in red, and the second we have, this is in green color. This is emerald green beads. The third I have this blue, electric blue color. Very premium colors we have. And the last, that is the fourth one, this is in black. So these are the beads which comes with that changeable earring. So you may change it according to the mood, according to the outfit, anything you can. So yeah, and let me tell you the price for this earring, the changeable one. Price for this earring is only 5,000. So 5,000, that means covers you with all the beads. So this is perfect for the gift purpose as well. And again, this comes with this hook. So it's very convenient to wear it. You may stuck it. So yeah. PP of previous one. Which one are you talking about? This one, the earring or the chain? Let me just confirm. Okay, the last we have got this, which is detachable earring chain. This one, this is a detachable earring chain. By means, if you have like any earring which has got the hook, you can detach with this like the chain, you know, like this. So this gives you that look. This comes with the purse as well. And this also has 14 karat gold, 58.5% purity. And yeah, price is only 2,500 for this detachable chain earring. Okay, so for this, I guess you are talking about this one. So yeah, price for this is only 9,500. So this is how it looks, 9,500 only, which comes with the green bead which has 2 shades and 1 white polka stone, which also has 14 karat gold. Price is only 9,500. So if you want details, take a screenshot. So that's it for today, guys. And if you have any queries or anything, you may ask or through the DM itself. Do you have studs? Yeah, of course we have studs. We have everything. We have also black beads, bracelets, anything. If you want something to see for the person, like for the wearing videos, you may ask, or maybe you can go to our YouTube channel where we post wearing videos. And for the studs, maybe I'll show you on our next live. So that's it for today, guys. For the next live, I'm gonna update you through our stories. So yeah, have a nice day ahead. Thank you.